Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So today I'm gonna get my hair done. I'm gonna be braiding my hair. So I'm going to, why the road noisy? I'm going to Saitama, which is about 1 hour away from here, and I'm gonna be vlogging my breakfast for the day. Well, lunch. So I have my biscuit, these things, cookies, banana chips. Well, let's see. Well, yeah, I've had this, the original one already. I have my raw veg and I have my rice and peas here. So this is my lunch. Oh, and my coconut water. My lunch kit is all set. You don't know.
Let me see you
So your girl is in these streets trying to find this apartment just so I can get my hair started and everything. Yeah, I'm not thinking like this. Yeah guys, what you guys been up to? Have you guys missed me? I know I've been away for a while, but I'm back. You can hear the birds.
So hey guys, I'm doing Sashoni's hair. Hi.
Yeah, hi
I'm doing some small knotless ombre braids. It's coming on nicely and we're just about halfway and we have a few more hours to go. So stay tuned for the finished product.
Eight hours later.
Okay guys, we are done. This is the finished product.
So it's home time. Yep. Hey y'all, so it's the next day. I just got home. I had work today. So actually I'm on summer break for my full-time job, but I still have to do my part-time job. So I had work today. I went to the supermarket. I'm gonna show you guys some stuff that I got. So I got bread. I usually buy 2 bags of bread because they only have 8 slices each. I bought some diced pineapples. I got some vegetables because the girl is tired. I don't have time to cut up vegetables. Anyway, so I decided to treat myself today. So I got some Haagen Dogs. I've never tried the Roman raisin one because I like Roman raisin, but this is my first time actually seeing Roman raisin. Maybe Roman raisin has always been there, but I just didn't see it before. Anyway, so I'm gonna have that later on, definitely. And I also got like a whole box of it because I know guys, what am I doing with so much ice cream? But the box doesn't have Roman raisin, and I wanna buy, like, I wanna eat ice cream. It's summer. It's very, very hot outside. I look sweaty because I just came off the road. So yeah, treating myself. So I got 2 of these because they were on sale. I got it for $1.99 each, and usually these are for like 300, 400, 500 yen. So this is like a very good deal. So I had to buy 2. This is like value for my money. It's my receipt. Okay, so this is from McDonald's. I went to McDonald's. I got some jelly and I got some pudding. Yeah. And I got chicken because I'm gonna be cooking now, right now, after I put these away. And of course I got egg because I'm out of egg. I got some paper towel. I use paper towel a lot. I also went to McDonald's and I got Big Mac. So this is supposed to be a so-called Big Mac, but look at it, it's so tiny. Yeah, burgers here are super duper tiny. Anyways, I got a Big Mac and I got a small fries because I don't really fancy fries. And I got scissors. I got cola. Alright y'all, so I need to set up for my Skype call. Yeah, I have a Skype. Why do I keep on saying Skype? I have a FaceTime. I was eating, guys. I need to put on something because I feel so bare. But anyways, I have a 30-minute lesson right now. Well, at 8. What time is it? It's about 7:40 something, so about 20 minutes. I'm gonna put on something and look presentable. You know what? I know what I'm gonna wear. So this is like an informal lesson type of thing. So I got this student from a website called Hello Sensei. So if you're ever in Japan and you need like, you want to do like tutoring, you can sign up for Hello Sensei and students can contact you. But for this, I don't really get a lot of students, but this lady, she contacted me this year, so I have her like 30 minutes maybe twice per week or something like that. And it's usually at night time because of my schedule. Like you guys know, I'm very busy. So yeah, so that's that. So I'm gonna do the class, I'm gonna cook, and I'm gonna try and relax and also do some editing because like, so like I took the break, as you guys know, I took the break from YouTube, and like every day after work I came home, I watched Netflix, and I was like, wow, this is like the first time in a long while that I could actually watch movies like every single day. And I was thinking like, how do I have so much time then? And it actually just clicked recently when I started editing some videos, and oh, that's the reason why, because I wasn't doing anything for YouTube, so that is why I had so much time. So guys, like this whole YouTube thing, it really takes up a lot of time, but of course I'm gonna still put out content because I have a goal as relates to YouTube, so I need to get back on it. But you know, like it's okay to take a break from things from time to time, because at the end of the day you only have one life and one body. So if your body is telling you, or if your mental health is telling you that you need to stop doing something, then you need to stop doing it. So that's what I did. I stepped away from YouTube. My head itch me. Yeah, this is so heavy, guys, so heavy. Yes, I stepped away and now I'm back. So I'm gonna try, don't quote me on this, I'm gonna try and do like 2 videos per week. I'm gonna see how that goes, but if not, then it's gonna be 1 video per week. But because I missed so many uploads, like probably 3 or so, I want to make up for that. Yeah. So that's the thing, that's the plan right now. Let's see what time it is. Is it time to start my lesson? I'm not gonna get up from here because I'm tired, guys. I need a pen and paper. I like to jot down stuff, so if I need to, you know, do some research and all of that, I like to do it. My student, to help my student result. All right, so I'm ready guys. I'm ready for the summer too. I have like, I'm going on 2 trips. Those aren't my trip. Yeah guys, I'm blobbing. Yeah, so if this section of the video is boring you, I'm gonna just skip ahead. I'm gonna leave a timestamp so that you guys can skip ahead so that I'm done chatting. But yeah, so I get 1 month holiday from my main job, and even though it's 1 month, we have work days. So the work days are very tricky. So it's like we get work day on our schedule, but we stay home and we have to check in. We have to check in by 8 o'clock every morning, and at that time it's like we check in and we're on standby. So if there's a task or if they need to send us somewhere or whatever, then they can send us an email or call us. And yeah, so if they don't contact us by 2, I think 2:30, then we're free, you know. So this is so effed up because it's like we get maybe about 10, is it 10 or maybe 7 work days that I have, and I could be doing so much on those days, but it's like if I don't check in, I will have to take a vacation day or an unpaid leave, and that's just ridiculous because more than likely they're not gonna email us and give us any work. So why not just give us the darn day, you know? You get me? Anyways, I should have probably turned on the lights, you know, but I think it's bright enough. Yeah, so that's that with me. So yeah, back to what I'm saying. So I'm going on 2 trips. These aren't like I was invited, so I'm going to 2 places. I'm not gonna tell you guys where yet. I'm not gonna tell you guys with whom, but I'm not really that excited, but you know, to just get away from work, get away from this area, because I'm going far away from the Kanto area, so I won't be in Tokyo or Yokohama or whatever. So I'm excited for that because your girl is just tired and just want a break. I want a break from Japan, but I guess I gotta be here for at least another year. Yeah, it sucks, but yeah. Oh, another note, so for the vaccination in Japan, they are supposed to be sending us some documents or ward office, which is like, what would you say in Jamaica? Ward office. So it's like the area that you live, the community that you live in, there are offices that govern those areas, so they call it ward office. So the ward office is pretty much in charge of the community. So I got in the mail some documents about vaccination, so I guess I can read up on it and sign up the form and whatever. Anyways, I'm gonna cut the video off right here so I can prepare for my lesson. So guys, see you in a bit. Peace. Morning guys. Hey y'all. So it's the next day and I did not cook yesterday, so I quickly did some cooking this morning and I am about to head out to go to work. Let me show you guys what I did. I didn't have much time. I just whipped up some stuff like chicken and I added some sauce to it. So I have like 4 to 5 days worth of food. This is the raw veg that I got from the supermarket, and this is my lunch for a few days. You don't know. Train. Okay y'all, my mask is in my hand, so I'm walking to the train station right now. I'm a little early. Well, I have about maybe 15 minutes to reach, so I can take my time because it's freaking hot. A typhoon is coming. I wonder if you guys can see me. Here would have been so much better. Anyway, so a typhoon is heading to Japan. I don't know the details because I haven't even googled it, but one of my students told me yesterday that a typhoon is coming and they might have to cancel some of the water sports for the Olympics. When typhoon comes, it's like it comes today and by tomorrow it's sunny again, so it's like nothing happened. Typhoon is like hurricane, but you know, when a hurricane comes in Jamaica, it takes like several days, rain and wind and all of that. But in Japan, like one day and it done. Whew, I'm so unfit. Anyways, I'm going on the main road. I need to put on my mask. Freaking mask. I'm so tired of wearing masks, man. Come on. So tired of it. My community is too. I'm going where you see life. That's where the train station is. And there's a train coming down here. Where are you, train? Yeah, so this train is going to Yokohama, but I'm going in the opposite direction of Yokohama today. This view is amazing. This is where I will be teaching, this classroom. I I'm also using this room, but this is the kids room. They have material and all of that. Finished prepping, now waiting on my students. I have many, 2, 4, I have 6 classes today, and I finish at 8:10. All right, y'all, so it is, my bun is so big. Anyway, so it's lunchtime now, and I'm gonna eat my lunch. It's 3:45. Yeah, I had 2 classes, and okay, I don't like to buy these ready-made veggies, you know, but it's because of laziness. I had no choice. The food is cold. Hey y'all, so it's a new day. The train is passing. Anyway, so I'm heading to work, and there's supposed to be a typhoon coming either today or tomorrow. I'm not sure what day. I wonder if you guys can hear because it's windy. When there's a typhoon, you still have to go to work. You still have to do everything like a normal day. So, you know, when we're in Jamaica, if a hurricane is coming, we'd be happy because that would mean that no work or no school. But here, when there's a typhoon, it's business as usual. The only way that you don't really get to go to work is if the trains are interrupted, but otherwise you gotta find your way to work. And even if you have to leave a little earlier, you better leave a little earlier to reach to work on time. So that kind of sucks. But anyways, I don't know what time it's gonna come. I need to check. Not that I even care, because I still have to go to work either way. The good thing is it's not that hot today, and it's not sunny, because God knows I'm tired of that sun. Yeah, I love winter, I love summer, but the heat here in the summer is ridiculous. This is my 3rd and final train. Why is this train moving so slow? It's crawling. Come through. Getting windy. I don't like this view. Yesterday's view was so much better. So it's lunchtime, guys. How is your day, guys? How is your day going? So I did 2 classes so far, and I have 4 more to go. I finished working at 8:40 today, so pretty late. So earlier it was a little bleaky, gloomy and dark and windy, but now it's just sunny. Like, this is Japan's weather for you. I was not expecting the sky to clear up like this. The typhoon has not come as yet. Anyways, guys, I have to be whispering because I don't want to be disturbing the other classes. Anyways, guys, I'm gonna eat my lunch and then just relax a little until my next class. All right, guys. Hey y'all, so I just did 2 sit-down videos about Jamaica, and I'm gonna be uploading the 10 things that I hate about Jamaica. So you guys are gonna see that video before you see this video, and then after you watch this video, then you're gonna see 10 things that I love about Jamaica. I decided to like put this video in the middle just to give it a break, because you know, sometimes when you're getting the same content over and over, you probably won't appreciate it as much as, you know, if it's like separated. That's just my opinion. Let me know what you guys think. Like, if I'm doing like a video on the same topic, would you like to see the topic back to back, or would you like to have a break in between? Yeah, because I would love to know that. Today I'm actually off I don't have any work today. I was supposed to record 2 videos and then go to Ebina to go to a cat cafe, and then afterwards go to the movies if there is like a movie in English that I can watch, something that I think would be interesting. I'm hot, but I got up late. I woke up early because I had to check in for my work, yeah, even though I didn't work today, and I went back to sleep and I got up like 10. So I started the day very late, and because of that everything has been pushed back, and I don't decide that I don't know, maybe I still gonna go because I've always wanted to go to this cat cafe. I haven't interacted with any cat in a while. Can you imagine? I'm a cat person and I can't touch any cat. I haven't, you know, like, so I really need to see some cats. And yeah, I think I'm gonna go. I don't know, it's like, I think it's about 2 o'clock now, 3 o'clock. It's probably to 3, but the cat cafe closed late. I have a lot of stuff to do. I need to go to the supermarket because I need to cook. Yeah, I'm tired, guys. I'm tired, honestly. This is my only free day this week. I have to, and I think this is gonna be the today is the last day that I'm gonna vlog. So this video is like a week in my life, even though I'm not gonna do the entire week because I just feel like, yeah, I need to, you know, I need to pause a little. I'm on summer break. And oh, by the way, guys, so I told you guys that a typhoon is supposed to come. It's absolutely sunny outside. It's not too windy, so I don't know if the typhoon came already or if it hasn't passed or if it's not affecting my area, but I don't see any typhoon, so not that even gonna affect anything. Anyways, I've been chatting for too long. I'm gonna go. Sorry, I got a notification. I need to go pay my bills before they cut off my light. I'm joking, they won't cut off my light so soon, but yeah, so I'm gonna do that, and then maybe I'm gonna go to the cat cafe. I don't know, it's literally like 30 minutes away, so that's like, compared to my regular commuting time, that's actually very short. Guys, I just checked the time. It's actually almost 4 o'clock. Can you imagine? Jeez, man, my day pretty much done already. I have decided that I'm gonna just go to the cat cafe because why not? I think that it would be a good idea to interact with some animals because, you know what, you girl get lonely sometimes, so why not? Anyways, enough of me rambling. See you guys in a bit. By the way, look at the sky. Oh no, I can't see a typhoon. But the typhoon day. The train is here. Going to Ebina. This is Ebina. About 20 minutes from my home station. Bathroom break. Alright, let's go. I'm always amazed at how high-tech their bathrooms are. Here is the cat cafe. I'm so excited. So cool. Kimono shop. Just look at that face. I paid 2,000 yen for every 10 minutes I stay there. Alright, let's go. These cuties. And there's a drink machine. Okay, let me get off. You know, I should have taken apple. Anyway, it's too late. Come out. Okay, great. Look at the kitties. Hi. They're so cute. Look at this. Hi. Can I touch you? No, I guess you're not that friendly. I had a cat like this when I was in Jamaica. Come here. They don't want to be petted. What's the point then? What's the point of coming here if you don't want to come to me? He's allowing me to pet him. Got this one coming right here. Hi, kitty. Alright, so this is my new cat. Hello. Hi. Can I pet you? Can I touch you? Look so cranky. Okay, they're smelling my bag. These cats are not friendly. That sucks. Not friendly at all. This cat is just staring at my tripod. Like every time I put it on the floor, he comes here. What? You don't want me to pet you? So why are you coming and staring at me? Come here. See? They don't want to be petted. I miss cats. This one looks like a lion. Ooh. Yeah, this is an angry face looking cat. Super angry. Where are you going, cat? Can I pet you? Why? They're so mean. You're already finished. I have no more food. This cat looks like a lion. This cat is very cute. Can I pick you? Okay, alright, I guess not. Oh, nope. I just wiped off my tripod. I'm leaving y'all. Y'all ain't friendly. Unless I have food. I love this cat. this one keeps giving me some weird look, like, you know, you remember somebody from somewhere and then it's like he walks funny. Like his foot is broken. But anyways, I'm leaving this place. Bye bye. I guess you guys can see the lightning, right, in the shot. So I'm guessing maybe over there, a typhoon, wherever that area is of Japan, that's where the typhoon is. I don't know. But anyways, I'm heading home from the supermarket. I made it home, so I'm gonna show you guys what I bought. So I packed is this ramen or noodles, and I bought 2 packs of salmon because they're gonna go cook right now. I bought cup noodles. I think, you know, sometimes I don't want to cook, so I want to have like a backup plan. But yeah, I bought some more bananas. I'm gonna bake next week, maybe, if I'm in the mood. And I bought lettuce. So that's all I got today. I'm gonna go take a shower and then I'm gonna cook because I need to wash off all of this cat fur here, all of this thing off of me. Yeah, I need to ask you guys. Oh, let me take off my mask. Do you prefer like a week in my life where I show like clips of what I do each day, or do you prefer like just a one-day vlog where I just record everything that I do on that day? Let me know in the comment section below. This is the end of the vlog, the weekly vlog, even though today is Wednesday, so I have 2 more days, but I'm not doing anything extra. Tomorrow I have work. Friday I start working late. On Friday I think I'm gonna go to the immigration office. I'm gonna be doing a video on immigration, like how do I renew my immigration, how do I renew my resident card. So yeah, I'm gonna do that. But otherwise from that, I don't have anything special planned, so it doesn't make any sense for me to record anything else for this video. So thank you guys so much for watching. Please subscribe. I'm trying to grow my channel, okay? And also share my video with people who you think might be interested in watching Japan videos and stuff like that, and all of those wonderful stuff. Thank you guys so much for supporting me, and I'll see you next time. Bye.